Hey everybody! So today's recipe is really delicious and really simple and easy to make. Some of the ingredients that you're going to need are broad beans, some butternut or pumpkin, onions, tomato, water, olive oil. You're going to need some stock, and then some chicken spice and some good old curry powder. So that's literally all you need. So step number one is to fry the onions. So let's get that oil nice and hot. And your tomatoes are really high in vitamin C, which is really important for building one's immune system. The butternut or the pumpkin has vitamin A, which is really good for your eyesight. You'll see that the recipe called for 1 block of the Knorrox cube, the chicken flavor stock. However, I'm a vegetarian, so I prefer to stay away from any animal products, and so I've just substituted my stock for these cute little Knorr stock pots that you find at shops. And you just peel it off, you pop it in some water, 500 ml of water, stir it properly, and that is what I added to my stew. The recipe called for broad beans. Now I just soak mine a little bit and then cook them in a pot with boiling water until nice and tender and soft. You don't have to. You can simply buy the tins, drain them off properly, rinse them, and then use your tin broad beans. So it's up to you. Serve into little individual dishes, or you can serve into a nice big dish if you prefer to do like a big family style, help yourself. And best to serve with some kind of starch, so either couscous or quinoa or some basmati rice, and I've got some beautiful wild rice here, and top up with a little bit of greenery, and voila, here you go, dinner is served.